Hello, and welcome to Scrum Study. In the last video, we discussed the implement phase, and today we will be taking up another phase in Scrum called the review and retrospect phase. So let's get started with it. The review and retrospect phase is concerned with reviewing the deliverables and the work that has been done, and determining ways to improve the practices and methods used to do project work. In large organizations, the review and retrospect processes may also include convening Scrum of Scrums meetings. Review and retrospect, as defined in a Guide to the Scrum Body of Knowledge, or SBOC guide, is applicable to portfolios, programs, and/or projects in any industry. Products, services, or any other results to be delivered to stakeholders, projects of any size or complexity. Moving on. Let's now have an overview of the review and retrospect phase processes, which are as follows. First of all, we will be talking about convene Scrum of Scrums as the first process. In this process, Scrum team representatives convene Scrum of Scrums, or SOS meetings, in predetermined intervals, or whenever required to collaborate and track their respective progress, impediments, and dependencies across teams. This is relevant only for large projects where multiple Scrum teams are involved. Demonstrate and validate sprint is the second process followed. In this process, the Scrum team demonstrates the sprint deliverables to the product owner and relevant stakeholders in a sprint review meeting. The purpose of this meeting is to secure approval and acceptance of the product or service by the product owner. The third process is retrospect sprint. In this process, the Scrum Master and Scrum team meet to discuss the lessons learned throughout the sprint. This information is documented as lessons learned which can be applied to future sprints. Often, as a result of this discussion, there may be agreed actionable improvements or updated Scrum guidance body recommendations. So that was a quick overview of the phase review and retrospect. We could see what review and retrospect as a phase means and the subsequent processes involved. Keep watching us as we will be talking about these processes in detail in the next videos. Thanks for watching.